Hello everyone. Today we learn about the study of family Malvaceae. There are n number of the families for our syllabus as prescribed by the university. So let us see the family Malvaceae. As we know that there is an n number of the plants which is belongs to family Malvaceae. The common example is Hibiscus rosa sinensis that you have to already known about the family Malvaceae and their examples. Now let us see the distribution of the family Malvaceae. So it is commonly called as the mallow family or the cotton family. The family consists of about 85 genera and 1500 species, which is having the 111 species found in the India. The plants are almost cosmopolitan, that means worldwide in distribution, but many of which are confined to the tropics and subtropics regions of the forest. Now let's see about the uh, characteristic features of family Malvaceae. Which are the characteristic features? So as we know that the stellate hairs on the young parts, mucilaginous juice which is present, leaves are alternate, stipulate, that means stipule is present, multicostate reticulate venation, inflorescence is solitary or cymose or the cyme type, flowers are actinomorphic that we call it as the regular flower, hermaphrodite means bisexual, hypogynous, then pentamerous with apicalyx, calyx or free or united. Corolla are free, stamens are indefinite, monoidelphous anthers, monothecous, stamens are united in a form of the tube, in the form of tube. Gynoecium many, often 5, syncarpous, ovaries multilocular, superior with axial placentation, and the type of fruit is the schizocarpic, carciolorus or the capsule. So actually this family having the different characteristic, but the very unique characteristic of the androecium, that is monoidalphous stamens. Pollen grains are large, spherical, spiny and all together with the monothecous anthers. Distinguishing characters of this particular family, the numerous stamens are supposed to be have arisen in a multiplication of the 5 epipetalous members. So let us see about the another characteristic of this family. So let us see about the classification. Division is phanerogames, subdivision angiosperms, class Dicotyledon, subclass Polypetalae, series is Thalamiflorae, order Malvaceae and family Malvaceae. This belongs to family Malvaceae. So vegetative characters of this family, it is categorized into two different characteristics, that is vegetative characters and the floral characters. We also call it as the reproductive characters. So habit of this particular plants, the plants are generally herbs. There are certain plants like Abitilon, Malva, Saida, and shrubs having the hibiscus and the gossypium, and few of the trees are the Gossypium arboreum with a mucilaginous sap in all parts and covered with the stellate hairs. The root is generally taproot in system. They are branched and root is taproot. The stem is herbaceous, woody in case of the hibiscus, branched, erect, spreading in case of the Sida, Malva, parviflora, pubescent with the stellate hairs. The leaves characters is generally leaves are alternate, petiolate, stipulate, stipule is present, stipule is deciduous in case of Malva, simple, entire or palmately divided into the different or lobed, margin which is wavy or the serrate, apex acute, multicostate, and reticulate venation. So the floral characters. So let us we see about the floral characters, that is the inflorescence. The type of inflorescence is a solitary axillary in case of the hibiscus or the arnia, then solitary terminal in case of avitulon, racemose in case of althea, and panicle in case of the kydia. So these are the genera which shows the inflorescence in the particular specific manner. Then flower. Generally, the flower is pedicellate, bractate, bracteolate in the form of apicalyx or the hermaphrodite, that is bisexual, rarely unisexual in case of Napia, complete actinomorphic, pentamerous, hypogynous. Apicalyx are generally 3 or many, 7 to 9 in case of the different plants like Althea. Then few of the totally absent in case of the Sida avitulon. Calyx is made up of from sepal. Number of sepals are 5. Connate at the base, persistent, sometimes forming a tube-like structure, valvate estivation, and the corolla is made from petal. Number of petals are 5. Polypetalous, sometimes slightly connate at the base with the terminal epipetalous in condition, that showing the large petals. They are twisted in estivation, and that plants are sometimes gamopetals. So these are the floral characters. So as just shown in this particular figure, the twig of the Hibiscus rosa sinensis, which shows the bud and the flower, then axial placentation, then floral diagram and floral TS of ovary, which is shown in this particular figure, as shown in this figure. Then androecium, the number of stamens are indefinite, monoidalphous condition, forming a staminal tube. They are epipetalous, staminal tube united with the corolla. Anthers are monothecous, reniform, basifix. Filaments are short and intros, etc. So these are the characteristic features of this family with the character of androecium. Now gynoecium, the carpels are multicarpellary, usually 5 in case of hibiscus, 10 in case of althea, indefinite in case of avitulon. Generally, they are syncarpous, ovary superior, pentacarpus or the multilocular multicarpus with axial placentation, ovules 1 to many of in each locule. Style is 1 long, passing through the staminal tube. Stigma correspond to the number of carpels. The fruit type of fruit is schizocarpic, carcivulus in case of avitulon, malva in the sida, capsule in case of hibiscus gossypium, and varied in case of the malvaviscus. Malvaviscus. Seed is generally non-endospermic. In some genera, seed coat is dense, tomeins. Pollination is entomophilous. Insects are attracted to for nectar, showing nature of the corolla is pentamerous, having the pentamerous flower. So this is the floral diagram and floral formula of the family Malvaceae. So that indicates the complete flower, bisexual. Apicalyx are 3 to 7. Number of calyx are 5. They are united. Number of petals are 5. They are free, but they are showing epipetalous in condition. Androecium are indefinite. Monoidalphous. Gynoecium is having pentacarpellary ovary, penta to many or superior. And this is the floral formula and the floral diagram of these particular plants. So common plants in this family includes the Althea, Avitilon, Hibiscus rosa sinensis, Gossypium, Sida, Malva, and the Abelmoschus. These are the certain plants which commonly having the different found in the areas. The economic importance of this family The family consisting of the importance, because there are number of the fiber yielding plants according to the certain authorities. Newly nearly all genera can be produced some or other kinds of the fibers. So fiber yielding plants may be a cotton. Cotton is perhaps the important fiber yielding plant in spite of the many synthetic textile fibers. The seed coat of the Gossypium produce the epidermal hairs, cellulosic in nature. This is wool cotton, that we call cotton wool, and these hairs are flattened, twisted. So there are certain uses of this cotton with yielding the seed oil, etc. Then hibiscus cannabis is one of the plant having the economic importance. Then hibiscus uh, subdarifila, or that we also call it as the Hindi patwa. Then certain species like the abutilon and other species, they are having the miscellaneous uses, that is Abelmascus esculentum and the Hibiscus rosa sinensis. So this is about the plant family Malvaceae. So thanks for watching. Thank you one and all. So please subscribe my channel. If you like, please subscribe my channel, Botanical Education. Thank you very much.